Welcome to another beautiful day where I'll be giving you guys morning outlook on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's dive straight into it. Here on the fundamental, we don't have much for today. We only have CAD high impacts and US dollar high impacts today. So that's one thing we should watch out for. If you are trading a prop firm, you should know that, or if you are trading today entirely, just watch out for the news. Here on gold, we've seen price continue to push further into the highs in the daily time frame. That's the swing perspective. But if we should drop to the 4 hours, which I like to see, if you drop to the 4 hours, we will see price has been giving clear structure, and we are looking to see price maybe drop lower. That's what I'm looking to. I'm looking to see price drop lower from here, from this zone, so that maybe we can take out drop lower from this zone, so I can take out these lows here. Then there's all this liquidity here from here, so that from here we can continue pushing to the highs. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for on gold. But possibly gold might continue pushing into the highs from here, taking this out as our liquidity, and then maybe from there this will be the next liquidity instead of this. This will be the next liquidity for price to take out. This will be the bump in the road for price to take out. Then only then will this be the bump in the road for price to take out. Then maybe we might say something like this. Just a sweep, and price will continue pushing into the highs. Then we'll have a change of card and price will continue pushing into the highs. If we should drop to the 1 hour, we will see in the 1 hour time frame in the 1 hour we've been seeing kind of structure, but presently price is ranging. I would say presently price is ranging, so let's just wait to see whether price will break out from the high or take out the low, so that we can scale into some longs. Overall, I'm looking for longs on gold. I'm still looking for longs on gold. So guys, that's that for gold. Move to the next pair, DXY. We are seeing kind of a change of character in the 1 hour here, and let's see if this will hold. If only this holds before, we'll know that price is ready to go up. Because if we should go to the daily time frame, here on the daily, we see we've taken out this low here. We were expecting price to take out previously. This low that failed to take this high, so we've taken out that low. So from here I expect more longs on DXY. Possibly we might still drop lower, take to lower than that, maybe to take this liquidity or this little bump in the road here. So we might still drop down lower. Then this will now be the next demand, because if we should check the structure, this is our low and our high, and our low again, and our high, low, high. Then this one is the bump in the road. So we are waiting for price to form another low, maybe from here. Then from either from this place, prices, either from this current demand zone where price is holding, or maybe we'll take this one out. Yeah, from there we'll continue seeing more longs. So we're waiting for a new low to form, so that a new high can be formed on DXY. So that's what we just keep waiting for. Just hold on and wait for price to create a new low. Yeah, so that's that for DXY. The next pair should be EURUSD. Price keep dropping, so maybe we might take that other low. So just wait till we have change of character in the 15 minutes before you can take any trade. Confirmation in the 15 minutes before we can take any trade. I would even prefer to see a change of character in the 4 hours and a break of structure before I'll take any trade. So that's that for DXY, guys. The next pair is EURUSD. Daily time frame, we've seen price and take out this liquidity that we've been emphasizing on. So presently we've taken out that liquidity, and we are expecting price to continue dropping from there, at least to take out this low, maybe from this low, from this zone here. Then we'll be looking to see more highs again on EURUSD, because obviously swing perspective we are still trending up on EURUSD, because if I should, this is one high, this is another high. So we're looking to see price put up another high here in the daily swing perspective. So at the end of the day, what are we looking to see? A nice price action for price to continue going up. Either we see a sweep of this too low, and then from here we'll have our change of character, something like this. get a sweep of this low, get our change of character, and from there we continue looking for longs to take out this high. Or we might just see price continue like this, just continue like this. Yeah. So this is what we're just going to be looking at for EURUSD. This is what we're going to be looking at on EURUSD. Why did I say we might see price continue like this? Because this is a break of structure, and this is the high. This is the present high that we don't want to see price take out. So if price displaces above this high, then we know that we are ready to. Once price displaces above this high here, then we know that we are ready to long EURUSD. So that's that for EURUSD, guys. Next page is GBP USD. GBP USD also looking nice. With the structure, we have factor structure still looking bearish, while the swing structure is still bullish. But on GBP USD, I would prefer to see the swing structure is still bullish. So for the factor structure, I would just like to see price drop down from here. Maybe when we tap into this monthly open or something, then we'll drop lower. Or maybe when we take some liquidity from after this monthly open, then we'll drop lower like this. I might see price dropping from here immediately, but we don't have liquidity there, so I would prefer to see price drop like this. Maybe until we get to this 2 bump in the road here, so that price can continue with the trend and continue with the uptrend. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for on GU, because obviously we're still in an uptrend. As you guys can see, the trend is still it's still an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. So what we want to see is trend continuation. The swing structure is still trending up. So we want to follow the swing structure, and we want to make sure the swing structure and the factor structure are aligned. So for now, I'll be looking either to see price take out this high, and then we know we are ready to continue going into the highs, and then from there we'll just look for, maybe see something like this. Yeah, from there we'll continue looking for new highs and new highs. Yeah, that's as for GU, guys. That's as for GU. In the lower time frame, this looks like a sell you want to take, but don't forget, if there is no structure shift, then this trend is not ready to change. So that's as for GU, guys. The next pair should be AUD. AUD still looking nice for some longs. AUD swing structure is still trending up. We are still in an uptrend in AUD. Why? Because as you can see from here, we are still trending up. AUD is kind of messy. I don't like the pair, but but what are we gonna do? What are we going to do if not to just analyze it? So swing perspective looking likely to have more bulls, but for the factor structure and swing structure still looking to see more longs. Let's see. So here on AUD, we've seen price tap into the zone after taking this low, and from there we continue pushing into the highs and taking this low. From here, I expect to see displacement and pullback for price to continue with the structure, something like this. From here, we'll continue with the structure and continue going into the highs. That's what I expect on AUD, guys. I'm still expecting more longs on AUD. Maybe take out this, but from here we'll continue seeing more swing structure on AUD. So that's that for AUD, guys. I'm still looking for more longs on AUD. Presently, there's nothing much to take here, or else we take out this liquidity and maybe we get factor structure shift in the 4 hours. Then we can short it to this zone, and from there we can continue looking for more longs on AUD. The next pair should be New Zealand. New Zealand is looking very beautiful. Unlike AUD, you see, we just tapped into the yearly open. I've been saying this countless times. I even said it before we got to this yearly open. So today, or for now, I would like to see price drop lower, to this zone. Then from here we'll continue see more longs. So today, either we get that or we displace. Sorry, let me take this out. So what am I expecting from New Zealand today? I'm expecting for now, not today, sha. So I'm expecting price to either take out this high then from use this as our liquidity, and from here maybe we will continue seeing more longs on New Zealand, or we might just push down from this zone here and take this as the liquidity and continue seeing more longs. So nevertheless, I'm still looking for long opportunity on New Zealand. This is a very nice pair to this structure. This is the most beautiful structure I've ever seen so far on either from all the pairs we are currently looking at. This New Zealand has the most beautiful structure, so I would like to see more longs on New Zealand, and I'm looking out for more longs on New Zealand. The next pair is US dollar CHF. US dollar CHF is looking sketchy and rangy for now. We've been trending lower and lower, but presently we can see price is kind of ranging here. No, this is the swing high and this is the swing low, and price have not been able to take anyone out, so I will either prefer to see price take this out, take this liquidity here out, and maybe from here price drops, or we take this high out and take this high out entirely, and then from there we will drop down, or maybe preferably I would prefer to see price just drop down, taking this low, and then from here we'll continue going to the highs. Yeah, from here we'll continue with the swing structure, which is the bearish swing structure. So that's that for USD CHF. Next page, US dollar card. US dollar card still looking nice for some long. I would like to see longs on US dollar card. As you can see, we've been trending up from fractal structure. We've been trending up. Even the swing structure is still up. I think the swing structure and the fractal structure, they are aligned, because we are trending up in swing structure and fractal structure is also trending up. So what do I want to see on US dollar card? US dollar card, I want to see price react from this zone, because we have our 3 monthly open here, and we also have price take out this liquidity that failed to take this high. So let me drop to the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, I'm looking to see price give us a change of character. Maybe when we take this low, this will be our change of character high. This daily open will be our change of character high. Then maybe from here we'll drop down low and tap into this 3 monthly open, and from there we'll start seeing more longs on US dollar card. This is the pair I'm looking at to trade today. I'm monitoring US dollar card and Euro USD, and also New Zealand. These are the 3 pairs I'm looking at. I'll be more focused on, because they have a more clear structure. And also this is also a nice pair to also look at. US dollar JPY. Though we've been trending high and we've hit yearly open, but presently, let me go to the daily time frame. Presently, I would love to see price either take out this little bumps in the road here that we have here, and maybe continue with the structure. Or, but if we should drop to the 4 hours, we will see that this bump in the road we have here is actually a structure. Sorry. So do we hit this yearly open, and I don't like the way price is dropping from this, because it's kind of trending lower, showing sign of reversal. Whenever price is trending, it shows that price will later come back to take it, because we are leaving a lot of bump in the road on liquidity. Yeah. So what am I saying, guys? What am I saying? So either we see price reversing from here, from this zone here I marked out here, that this demand zone we marked out here, and price will continue with the highs. Either we see price dropping from here, giving us a change of character, and continue with the longs, or maybe take this high out, and from there we'll now see our swing structure shifts. That's from the 4 hours and the one from the daily. Yeah. So either we see that, or we'll just see price continue to drop down lower from here, taking all these liquidities then out. So that's that for today, guys. That's that for all we are looking at to trade today. Don't forget, guys, follow the plan, trade the plan, and follow the plan. So guys, that's all for today. If you like to see videos like this, subscribe and turn on your notification bells, or leave the notification bell on, and please do well to leave a like on this video, guys. Thanks. Peace out.